Hello there, it's Jack over at Anchor Cars Tadley, just making the video as promised for you on our lovely Passat. Sorry it took a moment, it's been quite a busy day for us today. Just walk you through the car so you know it's in a good condition. There's a few, oh no, that's dirt to be fair, actually, that might all be, yeah, actually, okay. I was going to say there's a couple minor stone chips, but it looks to mainly be actually dirt. It's a good condition on the front. Front and rear parking sensors on this one. The rear does seem to be in a nice condition. Both bumper corners seem to be nice. Condition of the rear. Nice sizable boot. Sorry about, there's a lot of lens flare. The sun's not being very friendly to us today. I'll take you along this side now. Alloys over on the front seem to be in a good condition as well, considering the age and the mileage of the car. Jump into the front in a second and start it all up. All the interior seems to be in a good condition. It is push to start, so foot on the brake, start button's right there. Of course would be some fuel that's put in the car. You do have adaptive cruise control on this one, auto lights, got all your built-in sort of systems that would have put in the photographs as well. Heated seats in the front. It's a little bit of an overview of the condition for you. I'll send you some information in regards to the service history as well. If there's any other information you'd like about the car, whether that's about the guarantee options we do, delivery options, just let me know and we can go through them for you. Look forward to speaking soon. Take care and have a lovely day.